So my name is Muhammad. I'll be presenting the voting methods. The presentation is going to be fast and easy. We have four types of voting. First one is the fist of five. The second one is polling. The third one is Roman voting and dotting voting. So we're going to start with the first one, the fist of five, which is simply when we give something we want to vote about. We'll just raise our hand, and based on the number of fingers we have, it shows how much we are supporting this idea or this method. The second method is polling.
Which is supporting and which is not supporting.
So five is fully supporting, and nothing is not supporting it at all. The polling method, to be honest, I didn't understand it. I tried finding it on other websites, but I couldn't figure it out.
Right.
So we'll just, I'm going to read it. Method of gaining consensus for a given proposal using a structured polling method that can easily indicate how many support a proposal and how many people do not support a proposal. The flow is as follows. Poll began with a static contract that describes the requirement that the poll must satisfy to succeed. A dynamic plan proposal is then formulated. Then participants can indicate their approval or disapproval by indicating yes or no. Upon approval from a specified number of people, then the poll enters a go state. Otherwise, if not enough people support the proposal, then the poll goes into the stop state.
Right mouse. Just to show you something about polling. I'm not sure what you're saying on the screen, so I need to stop the presentation first. If you see this, we can add something like this story here on WhatsApp, asking, for example, do you support or do you like what we have done? Do you understand what we have done in the class? It's yes or no. It's just an answer of a yes or no. So the process in this system of voting, we go to the meeting room, we brief what's the situation, and we give the alternatives. Then we ask some questions. For those questions, it's just a matter of a yes or no, so you don't discuss. Are you supporting changing the timing for the class?
No.
No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. We are in favor in changing on the or off the class timing. So that's polling. But definitely, it depends on the complexity of the situation itself. But this is a very simple example of how to do that. And deciding on how many number of votes are enough depends on the criteria of the voting. Is it the majority? Is it the totality? Is it more than 50%? Is it less than, for example, 50%? Depends on the criteria of deciding that. Now hide the slide.
Yes.
Cool. So it's clear, huh? It's very easy and very simple, but unfortunately we have to go through such topics in the PMI. Cool, go ahead, man.
Okay, so the third way of voting is the Roman voting, which is very easy to understand and to do. Simply, we're gonna propose something, and everyone in the room will simultaneously put his thumbs up or down, whether he's accepting it or not.
So it's a like or dislike?
Yes.
Cool.
And the last one is dot voting. From what I understood, it's similar to the first one, the first of five, but instead of using fingers, we're gonna just use dots.
So on sticky notes.
Yes, on a sticky note. And then at the end, the topic or the proposal that had the most number of dots is the one that will win.
Cool, very good, great. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Any question, guys? I think it's straightforward.
Almost there on the same.